Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide news notification content on the lock screen for the X app. If you've been wanting more privacy and don't want news previews or headlines showing up when your phone is locked, this quick guide will take you through everything you need to know. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where all the adjustments to your apps and notifications are managed. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section gives you a full list of all applications installed on your device. From there, look for the X app and select it. Once you've opened up the app settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This will bring up all the different types of alerts the app is allowed to send you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Think of this part as a breakdown of all the separate notification groups inside X, such as direct messages, mentions, and in this case, news updates. Look for the News option and tap on it. Here's where you'll be able to fine-tune exactly how notifications for news behave on your phone. Once you're inside the news notification settings, tap on Lock Screen. This brings up the options for what shows when your phone is locked. You'll see different choices here, but to keep things private, all you need to do is choose Hide Content. And that's it. From now on, whenever news notifications from the X app arrive, the content of that notification will no longer be visible on your lock screen. You'll still get the notification itself, but without the preview details, helping you maintain your privacy while staying updated. This quick adjustment not only prevents others from glancing at your screen and reading headlines, but also helps keep your lock screen cleaner and distraction-free. So, to recap, go to Settings, Open Apps, select X, tap Notifications, choose Notification Categories, go into News, then adjust the lock screen option to hide content. Simple, effective, and done in just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out right away so you can enjoy a more private and controlled lock screen experience.